Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can change your life: how to grow your money through investments. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your financial skills, this guide is for you. So before starting the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe our channel to get more this type of content. Investing is more than just a buzzword. It's a proven way to build wealth over time. But what exactly is investing? In simple terms, investing means putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow in value, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. One of the most powerful concepts in investing is compound interest. This is the interest you earn on your initial investment plus any interest that has been added to that investment. Think of it as your money making more money. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Here's a quick example. If you invest $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 5%, after 1 year, you'll have $1,050. In the second year, you earn interest on $1,050, and so on. Over time, this snowball effect can lead to substantial growth. Now, let's explore the different types of investments you can consider. Stocks, owning a piece of a company. Stocks can offer high returns but come with higher risk. Bonds, essentially loans you give to companies or governments, usually offering lower risk and steady interest. Real estate, investing in property can provide rental income and potential value appreciation. Mutual funds and ETFs. These are collections of stocks or bonds managed by professionals. They offer diversification and are great for beginners. All investments come with some level of risk, and generally the higher the potential return, the higher the risk. It's crucial to understand your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with the ups and downs of the stock market, or do you prefer the stability of bonds? Your risk tolerance will guide your investment choices. Creating an investment plan is essential. Here's a simple process to get you started. Set clear goals. What are you investing for? Retirement, buying a house, or education? Determine your time horizon. How long do you plan to invest? The longer your time horizon, the more risk you can typically afford. Assess your risk tolerance. Be honest about how much risk you're willing to take. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes. Start small, begin with a manageable amount, and gradually increase your investments as you get more comfortable. Consistency is key to successful investing. Make it a habit to invest regularly, whether it's monthly or quarterly. This strategy, known as dollar cost averaging, reduces the impact of market volatility and helps you build wealth over time. Avoid common investing mistakes like panic selling during market downturns or chasing the latest trends without proper research. Stay focused on your long-term goals and stick to your plan. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Financial advisors can provide personalized guidance based on your goals and risk tolerance. They can help you navigate the complex world of investing and make informed decisions. Investing is a powerful tool to grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth over time through smart and consistent decisions. Start today, and your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.